1:20 to go in the third period. 6 attackers on. Lightning down a goal. Marchessault with a puck. Backed out there by Andel. Gets it free. Boyle digging for it. Killorn pulls his way to the puck. And we've got a Ranger down. And now Killorn wrestling a Ranger to the ice. Dan Girardi is down in behind the net with 1:08 to go in the third.
You get pushed down. That's the last thing the New York Rangers need. They're already down Ryan McDonough on defense, arresting Danny Boyle, and Danny Girardi just goes in there. Look at the give in the boards.
Oh, boy. Well, a solid pro, Dan Girardi, belted into the boards, and he saw his head hit, and he's being attended to here by the training staff.